Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about how we transfer and rebrand a solar company's identity from a boring and inconsistent branding to a consistent and impactful identity. Design full identity, we design a full branding for this company from the social media, logo design, websites. So first thing first, we started with an actual meeting talking about the vision and mission of this brand, talking about what the design must be involved from the values to the mission to the vision, and see how we can transform and rebrand the current design to consistent design that can last forever. So let's jump into our laptop so I can show you the process. So here is it. We're gonna jump into the rebranding and we're gonna start first of all by their current logo. So we did the rebranding like 6 months ago, but we're gonna start right now as it's a new process. So we're gonna start by seeing the logo itself. So the logo has been, it's like 70% of the branding, because the logo is the first impression of the a customer or a client. So from the logo we can see how the brand strong and how can the brand transform our needs for as a client. The logo defined brand mission is like solar panels, and also there is a sun, so it means it's a solar company or solar installation company or solar panel. That's great, but it's the logo show all the values that needed for the brand, because all the brands are making the same thing, is install the panels all over your floor, all over your house. So first of all, the logo including the color gradients, and now color gradient is outdated nowadays. The second thing is the logo is too complicated. There's a lot of complexity all over this logo, so we need to make it minimal as we can, so the clients can just from the first impression can see and know what the brand can provide for our needs. Their Instagram, there is a big miss out of the branding, so a brand system that can last forever. So I will show you how we turn their Instagram from the post and from the branding and setting up a great consistent branding so they can use it for a long term. So after analyzing their Instagram, you can see that there is a big misunderstood of the branding thing. Like the brand is missing out the branding. So as we see here, like the social media not consistent, like every time there's a social media in different like look and different style, and even there is a boring thing all over their Instagram. So it's really look a bit like an old brand, so it looks like they are shut down their brand or something, or they got bankrupt. So the first thing I asked them about, if your business was a person, what are the words to describe them? They said, I want like an edgy, cool, casual, serious, industrial, sophisticated. So we check this box and I write them down all over a paper book so I can see them every time I'm designing the concept and thinking all over the concept. The second question, it was, how do you want your customer to feel when they use your product service, like when you use your products or your service? The third question was, what makes you special? This is like an important question, because you can know what they make them different from the other competitors. Okay, so they said, we provide excellent construction service with an excellent customer service. Based on this answer, do you think this logo giving the same vibe? So first thing first, we did a lot of sketches, and at the end we choose 3 concepts that are approved, and here I did the rejected concepts. So I approved this one and this one and this one, because they are different values and different missions and different, but we keep the identity. I will explain this logo. So this logo, it was like presenting the sun, and this is presenting the energy. I see that every time we are closer to the sun, you get more energy, and that means the solar company's mission. And for the third concept, it's giving a fun, and like it's a fun value and fun mission. So we are like, and it misses a little bit of seriousness. But at the end, I really wanted them to choose this one. So I will show y'all what they choose. The rejected concept that I reject myself. So this one and this one and this one and this one. Make a presentation all over these 3 concepts. So we take these 3 concepts to make them on a presentation so I can present them on a PDF to the customer. So I take these 3 concepts and make them on a presentation. Explanation about, and also an explanation about the values that are provided from this concept. Color palette, and also presentation of all the variation that can provided from the concept. Picture with the concept. Mockups, I use some mockups to present how the brand will look with these concepts. And at the end I added the concepts that are rejected. for all the three concepts. So just to give them a little bit of an open thing. At the end, they choose the concept that I really want. So this one, because it's really explain a great mission and great values. And when we start like making the brand guideline, so here is the brand guideline that we did for the concepts. We did logo explanation, logo variations, and also the typography, the brand color palette, stationery, the social media. So we can see how they transform their branding all over Instagram. So we're gonna jump into the brand concept of on their Instagram, and here is how they turn their Instagram to a consistent and impactful branding. So as you see right here, they use the social media concepts and social media posts templates, how they can use it, so they use it on the right way. As we see right here, also we did their websites, all the ideas, so we worked on everything right here. And also we did a motion design for their logo. That's it for today. If you ever want to work with me, you can just click on the project inquiry all over the description right down below and fill out the form. And if you want to see my portfolio all over the branding that I worked on, so you can just jump on Behance account of my portfolio and you can see all the work I done. And also if you want to follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram account, drop a like button and also drop a subscribe button. Thank you guys, and